What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, the Urban Sneaker. Today I am unboxing the Sachs Mars Yard 2.0. Considered probably one of the hottest shoes to come out. Some would refer to these as grails. I was able to get my hands on a pair. And as you know, when you go on like StockX and GOAT, these things are going for about $5,000 a pair. Pretty crazy. So super psyched. So here we go. I got myself a pair of the Mars Yard toddlers, size 5. So psyched. Don't have any kids, but here you go. I was able to get myself a pair. Anyways, small little joke. I've always saw the Mars Yards and admired them. Really clean shoe. Always wanted to get a pair. Never pulled the trigger until now, and I got these bad boys. Obviously, the box is a little different. You got the Mars Yard tees for toddler. Yeah. Now we're gonna just unbox these bad boys. Packaging similar, just a lot smaller. It's like someone stuck it in a dryer and these things shrunk. But here we are, a little tissue paper, and boom! Look at these little guys. Tiny, kind of cool, and one way to kick off your kid to be a sneakerhead, he or she. I'm not gonna make this a gender thing, but yeah. We got the Mars Yard 2.0. I finally got my hands on a pair. Sick. So taking these things out of the box, you can tell, you got sort of the same mesh as the real 2.0s, the Mars Yards, and you got this little Velcro strap here, really kind of cool. Slip on, let's see, the insole, you can add name and the date, and you can tell your kid between the right shoe and I think between the left shoe, yep. Put these in the right order here. So if your kid can read at a very young age, they'll know which shoe goes on which foot. Anyways, these things are super cute. Nicely constructed. Unfortunately, sorry, finger keeps getting in the way. Not sure how long your kid will be able to wear these. Maybe a good 2 to 3 months. They'll probably not be worn out too greatly in that time. But yeah, these are really nice. I mean, it's got a little leather in back here, and you got the nubuck. Anyways, yeah. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. There's not really much to go over here. It's a toddler shoe. It's fun. They're tiny. But yeah, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Would really appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel. Sort of growing, but would really appreciate you subscribing, because we're going to have a lot more videos coming out. Got a pair of the new Jordan 34 breads coming in. So excited to unbox those. And yeah, hope you guys have a great day. And again, hit the subscribe button, would really help big time, and we'll catch you on the next video.